Touch the latency get to join guidance la people la kasu shu ani kera ge lo da ki by na dingin dong kera ge chi re kera la agas ki tawa dinala kare gare chung gitu on the color reading yi la share yi. If you want to watch this video in English, then your timestamp will be in the description. So ani kera ge tango ngai khachi la na. Current energy ra kera ge current energy kadi do chi do the color chira ani kera ge kalore relation mare da health re ani kirangi dewa relationship ra ani kirangi suba di kadilana kirangi leka chawa tsiri kalawar career ladri ani tiri big blessings lamdok sum ra o dini lam shay okay ndang bo kirangi tanda sowa ne sul ne tang kalawra da current energy le da o di kadura current energy 10 of swords. Oh my god. 독자 심 라카니 슈치모 독자 키리데요 도두라 다디 카리 카니 체이다 소사 고겨라 다 카시 소소 트레이딩 칼라카니 테 카시 relationship 칼라카니 테 카시 아니 내가 지선이카니 테 오데디 카리네 인시기라 다 소소 독자 카니 테다 아마 텐디칼레 도심라 소와 슈치모 심보 교지 키네 데와 도두라 오 데디 도치 팅기두 라디 쉐이다 tanda ye current energy dikena jos pe khalo pe load ta ra khari kap tu shwa na pe that ma nyam sha yo da kyu mindu pe da khalo re simba kyu mingyo pe ta tendri cha swa tendri ta ma chan tak ta ye samya thoda ma tendri ka nye thi swa samya thoda nga la tendri yu ni tro swa samya do da chik shur to da tharin bu cha to do pe simla ra kanye shuk chimbo chi thish da gang da su su ha go ra mare tanga 라 소소 그니 땡큐 메 소소 하고 라 오데리 도치 두 아니 칼라오라 인키란 초로 수 가리 용기도라 친다 개반알 가리 용기도라나 the star cut okay the khali gali kiran so yang tanda kanye the de gyodine ma thwe sarera simde mindu tanda kiran kanye the kyu mewa ine khali gali chini kiran so la kipi ni mo shargi re la di tungi duda ani kiran gi pe yakpo cha thu ya kiran gi leka khare chega to ne pe yakpo cha thu ya ani kiran gi nami pinche le pe du ya ko tin to ro ko pe yakpo chi thu ya leka ya pe yakpo chi thu ya ani kiran ine pe so so de ba khangang chungya ra o de do chikira chu yungye di tawa dinala khali gali kiran chola pe yakpo chi yung bitu lan shera pe yakpo chi da de kiran kanye the de ne pe yakpo chi yung bitu simde komi du lan shera okay ani kiran zo gi trading khala kiran zo gi da pe de nang shuk chi bo che go chuk sari ra ani khashi already da che go chuk sa yu ke ne symbol dan tawa go chuk sa sara an kiran zo gi health kala pe ta kala or chashi apu de jo anga ti chi da di chi me da di pangin da di sagin da di apu trading kala di du ga yor di che mar pangor la do ani khashi chi da journaling gora che do da nge ti sai di sami la do da yor da calories counting do den yung gi do ya o den do ra so so pe trading kala kiran gi pe yakpu kiran gi kala ore leka chidu do trading kala kiran trading yakpo soya kala kiran da kanye do chi chi de yo ai ne kiran gi tawa dinala kiran kanye dile tresar re ra pe yakpo ne le tuya subu trading gi kanye dile ya tuya a kiran trading kanye and ke mewa ne kiran gi trading yagre tang ya ra di sangman tawa dinala yongi do ani kala ore ni kiran gi khari do ji kiran gi action le bai ne ani di kala kiran pe da yakpo tong tu ye o tang ye den de chik jin da di running ye trading kala pe yakpo pingi tu lai jo so o den de do chagi du lan shera ani kiran gi kala ore relationship kiran gi tewa sakang bar gi tewa phama pingi bar gi tewa ta to kuthmo bar gi tewa de tewa di ora da relationship tra tewa de on di kala kiran gi page of pentacles le gi dola an kiran gi ta tewa kala kiran gi penging chimo tu chi da ne ra kiran gi konzola pe kiran gi sula sewa ye sula ga sa ning ne shi tu zola kiran gi pe pa ngone sewa ya ko tuen tu ya kiran gi ngone de ba khari yo sim na la cho khandi yo di konzola pe ya ko tuen tu ya o dene ro shitingi do ani kiran la yang kiran da single yin relationship na to do sam bai ne kiran gi na wa to sam ni kiran gi relationship na la nga mi tende chi ko yo sam ya de tak ta kiran la thugya o dene do ra the relationship kiran gi tewa di pe ning chi mo do kiran gi phama pingya la ne pe sikur sewa shchimbo che thugya ra so so yin yo chamal pe sikur sewa shchimbo che thugya o di tingi do da ya pu du la shera ani kiran zo gi career kala kiran zo di chi confusion do tingi do da ya 라 가지고 나가 디엘레가 제도 디에지도 가지고 나서면 조다니 롭종 징이디 조이네 가 디아 제도 디에지도 다 칸디디 롭싱 칸디 담고 있나 서면 조도 콜레지 유니버시티 칸디 담고 레가 제사 칸디 담고 있나 서면 조당 아니 디식다 this confusion dodura and the confusion dilly yung ni di suggestion kar chirla na kirang la samlo kitang la jo so mi la ke je diga manto da mi dila nga khandi lenga la da mi di ke so khari de ba yo dila shagira konan khari ko yo de on de mai ba je kirang de confusion lega da de thola de confusion le yung de kirang la ke je di samlo ya o tang la jo ni man ni sum samlo tang go thong ne tang la jo ya o samlo tang ni nga khandi dam na ya sari khandi chena jema nga ya ku chi cha sari khandi chena jema nga kali chi chi sari khari di nga ngara ina khari di ta chela in shu cheli tu la ni mera so la pe diwa da di diwa di tang ni ma chi ko ne ni ko ne sum ko ne khang tro so la diwa ke len pe ya pu ne rainbow di ma dhui li ri le cho dire ta kariya la okay ani kenan so blessings oh ho ta ya di dhui le sa di khadu ni dhui le du da Kaya marconi lencho ba chera kiranzo aji blessings. Oh, blessings tambo morang kalori king of cups. Okay, any kiranzo la good news to chili do lan share blessings ki form la good opportunity, good news ta di kiranzo khari tola good yene ondi tola ra da. Ta dende chi chuna di da some good yu chi ko la ina ani di ngone so yang na dende chi chunga chi du lega do chi kiranzo ki chi apply do chi je sha yone da lega di ra do the promotional ra do the chi yige do chi so chola le do da chi kala da kirangi khari tola good yene ondi ki tola ra positive result pe yakpo chi kiran chola chu yungi do and emotionally pe balance measured ra kiranzo simba ga chu du choju mai ba pe le shide nyam la ira simla pe shide ondi ki blessings le do blessings ni ba khar do lan kiranzo da relationship ga la ine kiranzo pa zo nyok ra do chi da ding nyok jing do da trading ga la ka ni the de ni do da khashi ra da so khala da ka ni do khashi simla ka ni the de ro khashi zupu to ni ka ni the de ro khashi lega chi zal ka ni de khashi ro to ni ka ni the de ro khari to la ka ni the de yo ine yang kiranzo la chinda ge wana la di ka ni de set up kiranzo la ragi du ra on the blessings ni wa kiranzo set up du ragi du ra an kiranzo set up di kiranzo la oh tende chi chi na ya bu jung sa so la ra do e job ya na mi chi gi lap an kira oh di khoi mo ne ya ko la so alan so la ra mi chi gi yang na lap ni ra ira yang na so ya sam lo war ko do e job ma do sam da lela wa chi ne sam lo ma khor ni ma chi sam lo ama thi sam lo ta ande lela wa khandis ma khor ringa da ba do lai cho oh tende do ya kari to la ka ni thi de ni di to la kiranzo cho la help li du lan share okay ko pa chingi ngu du lan share ro pa di kiran su ni insire kan ro pa chingi lam tun chingi lap cha kyangi lama ke la ribo shi da do su yine insire ra de de to ni insire ya na so ko sam lo ko ya de insire o de ki blessings da kiran kari to la ka ni thi de ni on de la kiran on di ka ni de le tri thap dinge sare on di blessings ni war da kiran zo chi lam dok ni wa ani lam dok sumba de la blessings sumba de kari du la na kiran zo mila pe ro pa ko chingi to sari ra kiran zo pe dhang do the chi ro pa do chi khori sang ma do se chi kengo de zo ro pa do che do dang chi yora da so look to da pu de zo ro pa do che do da chi mila ro pa che la pe shik chimbo kiran zo la blessings to ya ani pe ro pa ko chi to e jan mila ro pa ko chi to na so ine pe se ba ki ra o de ge blessings mila chi che to da ni ba che to chi yora da o de do ani yang ma khashi chi do yang che ngo ma la do chi 다 बचपन योरा द सोसो 이 충디기 족보 동모인데다 유니보니 마토교인데라 롭터 치파 진짜 치파인데다 유니보니 가가도 마토게데다 텐데 투게기라 진짜 개와데나라 텐데 톡시리라 카지 치도레다 간다 그냥 스페 밀러 로빠야 버치게 돼다 세바 베상 아니 양 카시 더 멍치다 양 카시 치치도 양 텐데 인시기르디 양 소소다 롭총 진당 너스 kileka khama tugi nga nursing changi la sho o tende in siri ra khashi chi chidu tende ten tende tugi da nursing to changi mila rokpa che healing to da nursing to da rokpa mila pain to e kileka che chura o tende chi kiran changi something yo ana kiran chi da gewala pe ko ko tu ya chang tu ya o tende gi blessings yang tu la ni shengi ani kiran zo chi blessings paining chi mo chung le so la ni shera ani da ni dung de da kam si ani kiran gi nyen dung de yapodong wa na khatak channel de la subscribe ani kalawre shiba ge shues mindu ani ya tam si nyudu che yong. Okay, so if your Tibetan zodiac sign is dog, then this reading is for you. I will try my best to explain in English. Okay, so first I'm going to do is your current energy. For your current energy, 10 of Swords is coming. So this says you are going through some very hot pain. Okay, you are going through a very bad pain. you're going through very difficult situation, or you are feeling like you are betrayed, or someone has left you, someone so close has left you, and you're feeling alone, lonely, and you are betrayed, you're feeling very low, your current energy is very low. Okay, this can be anything. You're going through difficulties in your career, or difficulties with your relationships, or difficulties with your health. This can be anything. Mostly, I think this is your relationship. There's a problem with your relationship, and you're feeling very low. Okay, someone has left you, I think. Maybe. Okay, but the upcoming energy is the star. The star card is coming. It says that you are going to feel better in this August month. Okay, so and you are going to take action towards to make your life better, and you're going to be very good. You're going to feel better. Right now you're feeling very bad, your energy is low, but in August month, slowly coming your way, the energy is saying that you're going to feel better, you're going to do better. Okay, so you're going to feel better. That's good, right? For your health, the wheel of fortune is coming. This says you're going to take some actions towards your health. You're going to take strict diets, or if you are going through some health issues, then you're going to fight with that, deal with that, and you're going to feel better. You're going to take action towards your health, and you are going to see very good result by taking that action towards your health. Okay, so in August month your health is very good. And for your relationship, the page of pentacle is coming, so this says that you're going to show your passion, your love, your caring nature towards your and your respect towards your partner. Okay, you're going to be very good towards your partner, towards your parents. This can be your children who is so close to you. You're going to show very passion, very love, respect towards them, and you're going to feel very satisfied as well, because you are showing your feeling. Okay, you can show your feeling directly to that your life partner, that person. Okay, your beloved one. And for your career, the moon is coming, so if there is imbalance and there is two options, and you are very it's going to be very difficult for you to choose the one option, because you are confused with that. Then if you are, even if you are a student, there's two different university, they can be, this can be two different subjects, this can be anything. Okay, you have two options, and you're very difficult to choose that one option from that two. Okay, so if you are going through this kind of situation right now, then you don't have to listen to other people and other people's opinion. Okay, you have to follow your own intuition, you have to listen to yourself, you have to ask yourself a question that which one is better for me, which one is going to be very good for my future, which one is my passion. You have to ask yourself, and then you will receive the answer. Okay, for that you have to ask yourself, and it can take 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, even if it takes long, but still you have to ask yourself and make decision. Okay, this is saying that for your career. And for your blessings, the first blessing is King of Cups. So it says that some good opportunities, some good news, some positive news is coming your way. If you are waiting for something, then you are going to be you are going to have very good result. Positive news is coming your way. And even if you are not waiting for, but still you are going to receive some opportunities. Okay, and you are emotionally very balanced, and you will feel very peace in this August month. Okay, and your second blessing is if you are going through some difficulties with your relationship, with your career, or with your health, then there's a help is coming your way. This help can be a professional, a person, or this help can also be your own mind, and you'll feel like, wow, you'll feel very happy. Okay, the help is coming your way as a blessing. Okay, so this is your second blessing. And your third blessing is Six of Cups. So you are going to be very helpful, you want to help to so many different people. You are going to be very helpful towards elder person, or the children, or you are going to be very helpful to the needy ones. Okay, so you will feel very good about yourself after helping them. Okay, so this is your third blessing. And some of you are going to meet your childhood friend. Okay, and you're going to feel very happy and nostalgic. Okay. So that's your reading, your blessings, and your current energy and everything. So I hope you received your messages very well. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you very soon. Bye bye.